Hello everyone, in this video we want to teach you how to install Ntopng network traffic monitoring on Ubuntu 24. As you must know, Ntopng is a web-based interface that shows you real-time data about traffic, IP address, protocols, and many more. You can easily use it to analyze your network and troubleshoot or improve your performance. Let's see how you can do it. The first step is that you must log into your server as a non-root user with sudo privileges to your server. You can check this guide to how to create a sudo user, and also you need to set up a basic firewall. You need to install UFW firewall on your server. You can check this guide to see how you can do it. For that purpose, you need to install UFW. apt install UFW dashboard. Clear your screen and then enable your UFW firewall with UFW enable enter 5. Clear your screen. Once you are done, you can start to download and install Ntopng tool on Ubuntu. First, run the system update and upgrade. Make sure everything is up to date on your system. Clear your screen. Then install required packages and dependencies with these following commands. You can easily copy and paste these commands. Press enter to continue to add the universe repository. Now you can navigate to the temp directory and download the Ntopng packages. cd temp Use the wget tool to download the Ntopng packages with these commands. Then install it. Clear your screen. Run the system update. And now install the packages. You can subscribe our channel for more Ubuntu video tutorials. Now clear your screen. The next step is to configure Ntopng tool on your server. You need to make some changes. First, you need to open the Ntopng conf file with these commands. You can use VI or nano editor. In the file, you need to look for the -w directive. It specifies the port used in the web interface. You can choose your desired port number from the file. Look for the -w directive, uncomment it by removing the sharp. You can change the port value number, or you can keep it by default. Then save and close the file. Once you are done, you need to allow the Ntopng port number through your firewall. You can use this command. Reload the firewall to apply the changes. Then restart Ntopng service. You can easily start and enable the Ntopng monitoring tool service with these commands. Start, enable. Also, you can check for the service status with this command that is active and running on your server. As you can see, Ntopng is active and running. Means that everything is right. Now you can easily access Ntopng monitoring dashboard from your web interface. You need to remember that specify your port number through your that you have defined in the previous step. For this purpose, open a web browser and navigate to this IP. You need to specify your server IP and Ntopng port number. As you can see, you see the welcome screen to Ntopng. The default username and password for accessing the Ntopng is admin. Press login. Turn and save. Now you need to change the password for more security. Choose a strong password for it. Choose your desired language and click on change password. Now you have access to Ntopng screen. You can create endpoint alerts. You can dismiss it now. And this is your dashboard. You can see your monitoring, active monitoring, SNMP, alerts, flows, host, maps, interface. You can manage your users here, help, developer, and other things from here. That's it, you are done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more Ubuntu tutorials. Goodbye everyone.